This lesson is line of best fit, and the goal is to find the line of best fit using linear regression. What you should understand by the end of the lesson is that the trend line of data that gives the most accurate model is called the line of best fit. You can use the LineReg function of your graphing calculator to find the equation of the line of best fit. And that stands for linear regression. Alright, now your graphing calculator may look a little different than this, but I just kind of wanted you to see that you're going to use the statistics feature to enter your data into the graphic calculator, and we're going to use the L1, or the first column, to enter our X values, and the L2 to enter our Y values. Then we're going to use this linear regression. It's also under the statistics to find the linear regression or the line of best fit. Now it'll be worded a little bit differently. It's going to be listed as, instead of y equals mx plus b, it may be listed as y equals ax plus b, and it will tell you what a is, and that'll be your slope, and it also tells you what b is, which is your y-intercept, but it gives you the numbers, and you just put it in slope-intercept form, and that's your equation of the line of best fit for all the data, because data does not form a nice straight line. So we're going to take a look at one, and I have a little video where I actually will walk you through what to do on your calculator. Alright, so here is the first sample problem. I have a scatter plot, and I have all these different dots, but these 2 points are on a line that best fits this data. So they want to know, what is the equation of this line of best fit? Now, if I had to enter all of these points, it would still figure out the line of best fit. But they are giving us 2 points. So that's all we have to put in the calculator are these 2 points. And this point is 3, 2. And this point is 8, 9. So we're going to use only these 2 points to put in the calculator and get the line of best fit for this entire set of points. Here is our sample problem, and I'm going to show you how to put it into your calculator and do the line of best fit. You only need 2 points, and they give us these 2 here, and you're going to be using this stat button, which stands for statistics. So we're going to look at this point, which is at 3, 2, and this point is at 8, 9. So the first button I'm going to push is stat, and I'm going to push enter because I want to be able to put this in our X, Y lists. L1 being the X list, L2 being the Y list. So here's my first point, and it is at 3. The X value is 3, so I'm going to enter 3 and enter. The next point, the X value is 8, so I'm going to put in 8 and enter. Now I'm going to arrow over one and put in the Y values. The first one is at 2, so I put in 2, and the second one is at 9. So I'm going to enter 9. So I have my 2 points, 3, 2, and 8, 9, and now I'm ready to get the line of best fit. So I push the stat button again. I arrow over and highlight calc. I'm going to do number 4, linear regression, so I can either down arrow to 4 or just push the number 4. My X list is in L1. My Y list is in L2. So I'm going to arrow down till I hit calculate and press enter. And this gives us our equation. A is slope and B is our y-intercept. So our equation of this one is y equals 1.4x minus 2.2. And that's how you do those problems. All right, here's the second practice problem. Here's our scatter plot. I'm going to put this in my calculator. I have my 2 points. My 2 points are 1, 6 and 6, 3. Here's the second practice problem, and here are the 2 points that we're working with. If you notice, this line has a negative slope, and also I'm going to show you the key press history so you'll know what keys I'm pushing on the calculator in case you want to go back and look. Again, I'm going to start by pushing the Stat button, Edit. I'm going to put in my X values first, which is 1 and 6. I'm now going to put in my Y values, which are 6 and 3. And I'll make this bigger so you can see what I'm pushing. Now I have my points in the X and the Y columns. Now I'm going to do my linear regression. L1 is X, L2 is Y, so there's nothing I need to change there. And I calculate. And my equation is Y equals 0.6x, negative 0.6x, plus 6.6. That's our y-intercept, and it's about 6.5. There it is, and it is a negative slope. So that is the equation of the line of best fit for this group of data. Now you're going to try that on your own. Here's practice 1. Practice 2. Practice 3. Practice 4. Practice 5. And practice 6. So how did you do on today's lesson on IXL? Remember that today's lesson is in pre-calculus, so be sure you look at that lesson on my website. Make sure you know where you're going to answer 1, 2, 3, or 4 on the survey today. Are you at beginning, learning, understanding, or an expert? And that's all on the line of best fit. Thanks and have a great day.